Attaining financial freedom means getting to a stage in your life whereby you don't have to worry about money or struggle to pay any bills at all. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 proven steps that you can take to attain financial freedom within a short time. The first step to financial freedom is to create a source of income and start generating money immediately. But wait, how can you generate money when you don't really know what money is? Money is a medium of exchange for values, and these values are the things that we need for survival, things like food, clothing, cars, housing. You can mention it. So now that you know that money is a medium for exchanging for values, so before you can make money, you have to provide value. And there are different ways to provide value in exchange for money. The first way is to get a job and earn salary, which I don't recommend 100% because it is almost impossible to attain financial freedom with a salary. But you can do it for a short while because it's going to kickstart your financial freedom journey by earning you some extra cash. The second way to make money by offering value is to start a scalable offline business. And the third way to make money, which I highly recommend, is to make money online. I'm going to categorize this into 3 different parts. The first part is to learn an online skill, whereby you can offer services to people and get paid online. There are different online skills that you can learn, such as website development, video editing, graphic design, app development, coding, and many other skills that you can learn online free of charge from YouTube and also from free materials online, and then share these skills that you've learned on different platforms online like Fiverr and Upwork to get clients that you can make money from. The second part is selling of products online. If you have your own product, you can sell fine, but if you don't have your own product, you can sell other people's product through drop shipping and affiliate marketing. These products you can sell online are of 2 types. They are the physical product and also the digital product. I don't highly recommend the physical product because you need money to produce each piece every time, and you have to track it to make sure that it gets to the buyer. And the digital product, which requires a one-time production and you don't have to worry about the shipping and how it gets down to the buyer. Now that is scalable because with just one-time production you can sell millions of copies and make a lot of money without stress. So you can simply register on any of the affiliate programs like ClickBank and Amazon and get your affiliate links and start promoting them immediately to generate sales and make a lot of money. And if you don't know how to promote your affiliate links, kindly let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to make a new video on how to promote your affiliate links on different platforms for free and generate a lot of sales. And the third part of making money online involves building a trusted audience, whereby you can have millions of followers on the different social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and then you can sell your products to them because you've already gotten their attention and they trust your brand, so you can sell different products to them and make a lot of money. Well done if you've realized the way to generate income. The second part of the financial freedom journey is to have an emergency fund. This is very important because of unforeseen circumstances. In life, anything can happen and you have to be prepared for it. Depending on your location, your emergency fund should be able to pay your bills for at least 3 to 6 months. Now, this is very important in case of circumstances whereby you can't show up in your business or in your online programs to make money. The third step I always recommend in the financial freedom journey is to live below your means. Now, this is where the journey becomes tricky and difficult because not a lot of people can live below their means. If you're constantly dipping your hand into your savings or investments to buy things, then it means you're living above your means. If you don't want to be saddled by unnecessary debt and hindered from attaining your financial freedom, then you have to develop a means or the skill to live below your means. In my discussion with many people about financial freedom on how to live below their means, they often told me that why should they even work in the first place and earn a lot of money if they can't spend it on the things they want to buy or on the lifestyle they want for themselves. Well, I know it's difficult, but then the journey to financial freedom, it's not an easy one, so you have to make some sacrifices for you to be able to live that lifestyle you want for yourself when you are finally financially free. To be able to do this, you have to cut down on unnecessary expenses and have extra spare cash that are needed for the next steps of your financial freedom. Debt, the major hurdle in the financial freedom journey. To attain financial freedom, you have to get debt out of your way for good. Over the years, debt has become a major challenge in the journey of financial freedom, most especially because of peer pressure and the pressure on the internet. You want to go to the university and get that degree, but you don't have the money to fund it, you get into student debt. You want to buy that dream house, but you don't have the money to buy it, you go into mortgage. You want to buy that flashy car or that designers out there, but you don't have the money to fund it, you go into credit card debt. So if you're really serious about changing your financial status, I would advise you clear your debt as soon as possible, because as long as you are indebted, the money you are making are not for you. They are going directly to the bank to pay off your student loan or to pay up your credit card loans or your mortgage. And I would recommend you start by clearing the high interest rate first before you come down to the low interest rate. which is the best way to clear your debt as soon as possible. Congratulations if you've cleared your debt and have a clean credit record, because it's going to usher us into the next phase of the financial journey, which is the investment phase. You have identified a source of income that is generating money for you. You have your emergency funds in place, you have cleared all your debt, and you have a lot of savings in your bank, but then you have not attained financial freedom and you're wondering what is wrong. Now listen carefully. You have all your money saved in the bank and you have not attained financial freedom because you are losing your money to inflation. Every year the price of things goes up by 2% and your money in the bank account is not generating any interest for you. And even if you have it in a fixed deposit account to get interest, you cannot get up to 1% interest per year. So your money that you saved in the bank is losing value to inflation and it keeps you away from attaining financial freedom. So what you have to do at this point is to learn how to invest your money properly. And when you invest your money and start getting interest on it, even if it's as low as 5%, it means that you're above the inflation rate, which is 2%, and your money keeps adding value each year. In that way, you are on your way to financial freedom. But then you're wondering how to invest your money because you don't have any prior knowledge on how to invest your money. If your money is big enough, you can invest in real estate and rent it out to people to get extra money from there. And in years to come, your property is going to appreciate in value and you can sell it out to get a higher amount of money compared to the amount that you bought it. Or you can invest in cryptocurrency by buying trusted projects when the prices are lower and you sell them when the prices are high to make more profits. But if you don't have any knowledge about investment in cryptocurrency, you can try investing in the stock market. Luckily for you, you don't need any prior knowledge to invest in the stock market these days because of the advancement in technology. You can invest in S&P 500. S&P 500 is a stock market that enlisted the 500 best performing companies in the US, and you can invest your money in buy shares from them and get percentages from them. All you have to do is to search on the internet on the best online broker in your location, and then you can sign up and invest any amount of money at all you want to invest. Congratulations if you've watched this video to this point. It means that it has added value to your life in one way or the other. And if so, kindly go ahead and hit the like button of this video because it motivates me to put more effort in creating such videos for you. And if you like this video and would like to watch more video on my channel on how to make money and attain financial freedom, then go ahead and smash that subscription button and click the bell notification button so that you'll be notified as soon as videos are posted on this channel. And if you genuinely don't like this video and the kind of content I create, go ahead and hit the unlike button and tell me in the comment section why you don't like this video, and I'm ready to learn and improve on my processes. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.